السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn in this lesson Mustaliya letters or thick letters in the Holy Quran. How many letters which those have thick sound or thick tone or heavy tone we will learn in this lesson, and we pronounce every letter separately. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you how many mustaliya or thicker letters in the Holy Quran and how do we pronounce them in the Holy Quran. How many mustaliya letters in the Holy Quran? There are 7 mustaliya letters in the Holy Quran. These letters always pronounced with heavy voice or with thick voice or with thicker tone or with heavy tone. These are 7 mustaliya letters. They are called mustaliya letters. These all letters always pronounce with thicker voice in every condition. In the Holy Quran we have 7 letters. Those are pronounced in every condition with thicker voice or heavy voice. Let's learn. How do we pronounce mustaliya letters in the Holy Quran? They are always pronounced with thicker voice in every condition. Mustaliya letters always pronounced with thicker or heavy voice or heavy tone in every condition. Let's learn. Ho, 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 ho. The next mustaliya letter is Sod, Sod, Sod. The next mustaliya letter is Dod, 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 Dod. The next mustaliya letter is To, 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 To. The The next musta'ila letter is Ra. 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 The next musta'ila letter is Ghain. 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 The last musta'ila letter is Qaf. 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 These are the 7 musta'ila letters in the Holy Quran. We pronounce them with thicker voice in every condition. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.